Hey guys, so share ko lang experience ko in using Starlink. So I've been using Starlink, in-order ko siya last February and I've been using it for almost 3 weeks na. First ko when I activated it, nag-charge agad ang Starlink na app. So first you have to download the Starlink na app and then automatic mag-charge sila ng 2,700 to use it. So kung magagamit kayo, ready kayo agad ng 2,700. Kasi for 30 days, yan ang fee nila. So every month you have to pay 2,700. And then, once I activated it, nag-prompt sa akin ang app na the location has been changed. So, na-register ko sa site na kasi ang address ko sa Bacolod City, yan ang address na nilagay ko. And then, when I went to Kabangkalan City, sa sa area na gusto ko lagyan ng internet, na-detect ng Starlink na that the location has been changed. So, kung gamitin nyo sa isang location, so dapat yan ang address na lagay nyo. Kasi it took almost 25 or 30 minutes para mag-change ang address niya. And then, since na-change ko ng address, mag-geolock siya. So, geolock, yan ang talagang area. So, you have to pick, for example, you have to pinpoint sa map or type ng new location mo, and then it will take 20 to 25 minutes para mag-change and then mag-realign ang mga satellite. And one thing I noticed, once na-activate ko na lahat, okay na nang mag-move yan ng satellite. So it will get the most optimized na position ng satellite sa space. And notice ko, ang router, ang sobrang init, not just normal na init. It was ng around 30 degrees Celsius. Sobrang init talaga. So I ordered a fan for the router. I'll put the link down below para ma-order nyo sa Shopee. And also, you have to buy, I highly recommend you have to buy the adapter, the Ethernet adapter. Kasi you can add your MikroTik or your own router. So, and then you can change na sa settings. Kasi if you don't order the Ethernet LAN adapter sa Starlink, it costs around 3,200 pesos. So, sobrang mahal pero worth it talaga. You can add your own router or any mga peripherals dyan or network switch para makakonect ang mga PC nyo. And also, kung nasa area ka na maraming kahoy, you have to find talaga ng area na open space na walang obstruction. Kasi there's gonna be parang ma-intermittent ang connection mo at kasi kahit konting obstruction. I was getting around 98% and ang speed ko is around 100 Mbps. So kung naka 100% no obstruction talaga, I will be getting around 200 Mbps na speed. So sobrang okay talaga, walang delay or lag sa connection. Gumawa ko ng poste na at least 10 feet high para ma-optimize ko
na walang obstruction sa satellite sa space. So guys, kung may bala kayo bumili ng Starlink, ang original price siya is around 28 or 27,000 sa Starlink to website. So if you're planning to buy, I suggest you wait a little bit kasi ang kaibigan ko bumili siya ng worth 28,000 and then 3 days later nag-sale sila 14,000 na lang. So almost half the price talaga. Half the price na talaga. So if you're planning to put up a PisoNet or Piso Wi-Fi business sa lugar na walang signal, walang internet talaga, Starlink is the best talaga. Kasi 100 Mbps, maka-internet ka na. So guys, thank you for watching, and kung meron kayong tanong about sa Starlink, feel free to comment down below. Bye!